Hey, what's going on guys? Jackson here. Welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies inside of Coinbase. If you don't already know, Coinbase is a platform that lets you hold cryptocurrencies where they control the wallet that you buy and sell with. So you can use United States dollars to purchase cryptocurrencies, and it's a really great way to invest in these new assets. In order to get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Coinbase website. So it's COIN and then base, BASE.com. This will bring you to this site here. If you don't already have an account, you're going to want to click Get Started. This will require a little bit of information from you. They will need things like your social security number, where you live, so they can withhold taxes based on your social. But since I already have an account, I'm going to go with Sign In. After creating an account, you'll be greeted to your portfolio balance. Here you can see the net assets of all of the various currencies that you have. You can click on the portfolio, which will show you your lifetime rewards. So a lot of cryptocurrencies will pay you interest for holding the crypto with Coinbase. So it's really cool because get some passive income that way. Here you can see a breakdown of all of the various assets that you hold and the allocation of your overall portfolio size. Now, in order to create a transaction, you're going to go up to the top right here that has Buy and Sell. This will bring you to a screen that will ask you how much you want to purchase. So you can say, I want to purchase $100 of Bitcoin, and then it's going to ask you how you want to pay. So you can choose different transfer methods. I would recommend only using a bank account, just because if you already have cash in your account, you can do it that way. I would not recommend ever using a credit card because Coinbase will take a percentage fee when you transfer that money. And a lot of credit card companies are starting to flag those types of transactions with Coinbase because a lot of them have been used for money laundering. Once you have your payment method already set up, you can go up to where it says buy, and this is where you can select the asset you want to purchase. So you will be converting United States dollars into whatever currency you would like to choose. So you could choose Litecoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Maker, OMG, Stellar. There's a ton of them. I was most bullish on Cosmos around about 9 months ago, and I put about close to $400 in there, close to probably $200 in there, and now it's up to over 1,000 my entire portfolio. So I've seen a 5x return on that initial investment. After you have your order ready, you can go ahead and hit Preview Buy. And this will bring you to this screen here, and you can have a breakdown of everything that you are doing. So we're going to be converting cash to Atom, or whatever currency you picked, for the price of $23 for one coin. We're going to be getting $2.01 with a Coinbase fee of $3, or of $1 for a total cost of $3. So now let's move on to selling. And selling works very similar to buying, just the inverse of it. So instead of actually buying a currency, we'll be taking currency we already own and converting it into United States dollars. Just warning you, this is a taxable event. So say you buy Bitcoin, you buy $50 worth, and that $50 is now worth $75. You then sell that $75 worth back into United States dollars. You would owe $25 of a taxable event on that. So whatever your tax bracket is, you would have to pay taxes on that amount. One way to avoid this, or converting it back into USD without paying taxes on it, is converting it into a different crypto, because that's not an exchange. It's just going into another currency. So if you want to go into something like a stable coin, you can very well do that instead. So in order to sell something, you have to already own the security. So I have Ethereum. Let's say I wanted to sell all of it, and we're already greeted with the preview window. So I will be selling Ethereum for almost $3,000 per coin, and I currently have about $700 worth. Coinbase will take a $10 fee, and I will be paid $675 in cash. Now, I'm not going to do this because I don't want to have a taxable event recorded, so I'll be holding this probably for a very long time because I'm still very bullish on Ethereum going up. Now, in order to convert currencies, if you want to trade, let's say, your Atom into Ethereum, here you can see that I want to do all of it, so I'll do like $1,000 worth, like I said, and I'll be paid 0.435 Ethereum for converting my Atom into Ethereum. One thing that I think you do want to keep in mind is that the exchange rate that you get sometime may not always be the best exchange rate possible. So just to give you an example, you can see right now that Cosmos is trading at around $23 a coin. So let's go here and you can see that we're only going to get 22.8 for one atom. So that's not a great deal. The current exchange rate, like I think I just said, is fairly high right now. So let's go take a guess. Yeah, it's at $23. So they're taking a pretty big cut. They're taking probably close to about a 5% cut just from doing that conversion. So you have to almost weigh that if the taxable consequential event is going to be worth it for you instead to move it over to a different currency, or if it's better just to hold or sell it at that time. With that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find this helpful, please be sure to hit the like button as it does help the YouTube algorithm. And for that, I will see you guys next time.